drowning in paperwork. Let's ditch the paper and show you how to effortlessly create, send, and sign documents online using Eversign Learn. First, head over to the Eversign Learn website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, click the Upload Document button. You can drag and drop your file or choose it from your computer. Eversign supports various formats like PDF, docx, and more. Next, let's add your signers. Click on the Add Signer button and enter their names and email addresses. You can add as many signers as needed and even specify the signing order. Now for the magic, adding signature fields. Simply drag and drop the signature, initial, date, and other required fields onto the document where you need them. Assign each field to the correct signer from the drop-down menu. You can resize and reposition these fields to perfectly fit your document, ensuring everything looks just right. Double-check that all fields are correctly placed and assigned, then click the Send button. Your signers will receive an email notification with a secure link to access and sign the document. They can easily sign by typing, drawing, or uploading an image of their signature. Once they've completed all the fields, they click Finish. And that's it. The completed and legally binding document is now securely stored in your Eversign Learn account, ready for you to download and archive. Start simplifying your document workflow today.